Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage CRM systems with Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To effectively manage CRM systems with Salesforce, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Salesforce dashboard. Locate the Sales tab, as this is where most CRM activities are centered. Click on the Accounts option to view your customer accounts. Here, you can add new accounts by selecting the New button. Fill in the required fields, such as account name, type, and industry. After entering the details, click Save to create the account. Next, navigate to the Contacts tab to manage individual customer information. To add a new contact, click the New button again. Enter the first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Link this contact to the respective account you just created. Be sure to save your changes to finalize the addition. Moving on, explore the Opportunities tab to track sales deals. Click on New Opportunity to initiate the process. Provide the opportunity name, amount, close date, and stage of the sales process. Link the opportunity to the relevant account and contact for better tracking. After filling in the details, click Save to create the opportunity. Use the Tasks tab to assign follow-up tasks related to accounts, contacts, or opportunities. Select New Task and input the task details, including due date and priority. Assign the task to yourself or a team member and click Save. To maintain communication, utilize the chatter function for internal post updates, ask questions, or share documents relevant to your CRM processes. Regularly check the Reports tab to analyze your CRM performance. Create custom reports by selecting New Report and choosing the desired type. Filter the data you want to analyze and click Run Report for insights. Consider integrating third-party applications available on the Salesforce App Exchange. These apps can enhance functionality and automate processes. Lastly, ensure ongoing training for your team to maximize Salesforce's capabilities. This will help in adapting to updates and new features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.